Connor here. Today I'm here for a vlog. Kitchen's clean and stuff, and my mom was making saltfish gnocchi, which I really love. It's so dark in here. Saltfish gnocchi, which I really love, is her special recipe, and so she's helping. I'm cutting some veggies because her hands kind of like hurt right now. Oh, thank you, Mom. So this is a vlog. This is a vlog. This is history. There's gonna be an anniversary. Ayana's first vlog. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we are going to go ahead and get started with the cutting of the. Wait. She's trying to do it. Wait. Woo, okay. So let me rinse these. They're sweet. Mom, how am I cutting these? How am I cutting these, Mom?
Slice them up.
So okay. This is not the right knife for this.
Yeah, but then you're doing this. Yeah.
Oh, that's what I'm doing, but I was just getting the end off.
So I'm about to sit back down. Yeah, I might be doing that. We'll see.
Ooh, my finger.
We're officially covered, Mariana.
Ow, my finger
We're
itches.
officially covered, Mariana.
Where's my hair?
Alright,
Ooh, I love vlogs. So, I guess I'll go ahead and explain to you guys why I haven't been. Oh gosh, why I haven't been making videos lately. Well, school just. How my finger itches. School just started back up from the winter break, because that's when I started making videos. So school just started up from the winter break, and well,
where you at now, Cole?
since it started up from the winter break, I just
Oh, you said
I just haven't been doing much. And well, I've been very busy at school and stuff because we have the end of the year test, which I can't tell you what test it is because you'll know what state I'm in. But the end of the year test, so yeah. So I've just been very busy at school and things like that. So I haven't been able to make videos like I usually do. So I'm sorry. I'll go ahead and say I'm sorry for not making videos. But come on now, it was worth the wait because this is a vlog. So yeah, the reason I just paused is because, well, my hands were itching because earlier I had a kiwi. If anybody knows why kiwis and pineapples make your hands itch, I'd really appreciate to know. Like, put that in the comments or whatever. That'd be great. So, cutting vegetables. If I didn't already mention, these are sweet peppers. Mom, these are sweet, right?
Yeah.
These are sweet peppers because, for one, I'm just going to go out on a limb and say I do not like anything hot. Well, I do like things that are hot, but I'd rather have something sweet than hot. Can I put these in?
Yes.
I'd rather have something sweet than hot in any kind of food that I eat. It's just something about me. Oh, let me show y'all what is going on over here because it is beautiful. Just beautiful. Fish rolls on that. Look at that. Look at that. Does anybody do that? Look at that. So good. So good.
And then this is cool. This is the beans and all. Beans and rice.
If anybody knows where I got so good from, then it'd make my day if you knew where I got it from. Why is it so dark in here, Mom?
Alright, now it's time to chop up the saltfish.
It's so dark in here. Gosh, it bothers me. I'm sorry, you guys, about the lighting, the horrible lighting. Sorry. Hashtag lighting problem. That's horrible. But I'm just mixing on it. I'm going to go out, and if you guys think this is very boring of a vlog, I'm a horrible vlogger. So don't get mad at me if this vlog is just not up to par. Because I can't vlog worth anything. I can't vlog. So, yeah. Oh, I was thinking of doing a Q&A coming up one of my friends I'm hoping to see soon. Hint, hint, mommy. I'm hoping to see Taylor soon, so we might be doing the Q&A, or I might be doing the Q&A. So I might be doing the Q&A, and I'd really appreciate if you gave me some Q&A questions. And at the end of this video, I'm giving out my Instagram. Oh, Instagram. Oh, Instagram. So, not doing much except dancing. I'm just gonna go out and tell you guys, I call myself a dancer because I've never really taken dance classes, but I love, L-O-V-E, love to dance. So, I am a dancer, and I love to dance. So, if I move around a lot, and it's just in me because I, as a person, like not just dancing, but as a person, I can't stay still. I don't know how to unless I'm sleeping. No, even in my sleep, I can't stay still. Like, that's why whenever I'm over in one of my friend's house, I usually sleep on the floor or like on the bottom of the bed or something because I move a lot. So, yeah, woo! Oh. Literally, you cannot see me at all. You might be able to see me now. Thank you. So I'm just mixing on this. This is the saltfish, correct, Mommy?
Saltfish and
So
we're sauteing the saltfish. It's already been boiled.
Yep.
So boil all the salt out. And then what you're going to do is put that in there.
So, what am I putting in here?
You're going to get it all in the center of the pot, kind of.
Okay. Or, like, can I put it on one side or?
Oh, no, have it layered on the whole thing. Just lay it flat out.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Lay that just like that. And then we're going to put a top on it. Get a top.
Okay. Oh.
That big with the round top. Put that on top.
Finally.
All right, now that's going to cook for a little while.
Don't burn yourself.
What it's doing is cooking the saltfish a little.
So what are we doing now?
Put a tad bit.
Oh, she got my phone all wet. Ooh, mama. Ooh. Mommy, can I tell them about the time that you... Okay, I show you the Aki now. This is what it looks like in the can, and I thought we were eating like something, like I thought we were actually eating like an animal, and it scared me. Look at that. And I thought we were eating an animal, and it scared the crap out of me, and I was like, Mom, I don't want to eat this. But Aki's it's a fruit. It's a fruit, right, Mom? Aki is indeed a fruit. These are beans. Oh, let me go ahead and put that out there. Let me go ahead and put that out there. Wait, let me do it. Ooh, all over. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am not Jamaican. I'm not. I may have dreads, but I'm African American. Not Jamaican. It's just a lot of foods. We don't just eat Jamaican food. We eat Asian food, American food. We eat a lot of different foods. And this is just something we really like as a family. I'm not Jamaican. I'm just going to go. I'm not. I know people who are Jamaican. Do I, Mom?
Yes.
I know that. So, this is just a food that was originated in Jamaica. And my mommy's putting her delicious twist on it. Yeah! So, no, I'm not Jamaican. But, I do like Jamaican food. It's okay. There's nothing wrong.
It looks really
1, 2, 3, go. Hey. Okay. Hey. Oh my gosh, this is
now
nice.
everybody can enjoy the sofa, like sit here, there.
Oh my gosh, this is nice.
Now we got a seat for everybody when we watch the movie.
1, 2, 3, go. Hey. Oh. Get it. 1, 2, 3. Get it. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. I'm not not flexible worth anything. But I get there. So yeah. Did I almost forget? Whenever we have Sawfish gnocchi, we always have plankton, and that's what we have today. So let me find the plankton in the freezer. That is not plankton. Mommy, where's the plankton? Plankton is banana, correct, Mama?
Yeah. It's already out of the pouch. It's in the pouch. It's baked. Look, it's free.
Where?
Third in the first basket. Right there.
Is this it?
He look like he got some sort of rash on his face.
One. Get it with you.
Come in here, baby. Do this.
Yeah. I'm about to kill it. Wait. Ugh. Move this chair.
Found it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Good.
Yeah. So, may I say again that I'm a horrible vlogger? Can I start cutting up the plankton or let it thaw out a little bit? I want to be double jointed. I know somebody who's double jointed. She can like do this and then like she can just turn it all the way around. My sister, I promise, I feel like she's double jointed because she can do that. She just flip it around, and I feel like she's double jointed. Mom, do you inherit things like double jointed?
Where is the?
Yeah. Oh, kill it, yeah. Oh, okay, let me take these dogs out. Woo! Come on, Mom, use the bathroom. Oh, use the bathroom. Oh, he was using the bathroom. Y'all see my baby? Coco, up. Oh, who's your big baby? Coco. Look at she. Let me see. Sit. You're a good boy. Let's go get you a little snack. Come on, let's go get you a little snack. Let me get you a little snack, boy. Bum. Let's go, Coco. Let's go get you a little snack. Come on, baby. You ready?
Tashi?
Sit.
Tashi?
Here
What
you
you
go.
up to?
Yeah. That's a plane. But my other dog, she is using the bathroom. Come on, baby. You ready? Are you ready? No, okay, so you're going to the grass? That's what you're going to do? I hate that sound. Come on, girl. Come on. No, it is not Starbucks.
The rice and peas have been merged.
It
and they
is.
are cooking. And,
Oh gosh.
Aki and lentil.
Hot cocoa.
Aki.
This makes me.
The Aki
Some hot
and
cocoa.
has been merged and it is cooking.
My mom's talking about that. Oof. I'll be right back.
And now I'm.
Yeah, so I got coffee. No, I don't have coffee. No, I don't. No. This is definitely hot cocoa, but my parents bought the reusable coffee cup, so I'm going to take advantage of it. No, I'm not going to drink it yet. It's still very hot, but this is a boring vlog. Look at this. Frank got it for me. But, I think I'm going to end the vlog here because my mom's almost done with dinner, and I'm going to want to eat it because I love dinner, especially hers. So I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. See you next time on my channel. I see you next time on my channel.
I'm thinking because that's the reason you can get it back quicker because it doesn't have
So,
to go
yeah.
through somebody.
Bye.